In this tutorial, we'll see how to withdraw money from your TikTok account. If you have accumulated earnings through the TikTok live stream program, you can cash out your earnings directly from the app, and here's how. Open the TikTok app and navigate to your profile. Tap on the three bars icon located in the top right-hand corner of your screen to access the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy, then choose Balance. You'll see your coin balance displayed on this screen. Tap on Live Rewards to view your Diamonds balance, which represents your earnings from the live stream program. On the Live Rewards screen, you'll find the option to check your daily and total Diamonds earnings. To withdraw your earnings, tap on the Withdraw button. Follow the prompts to confirm your withdrawal request. Keep in mind that each diamond is approximately equivalent to 0.05 United States dollar, but TikTok retains a portion of the earnings after conversion. Once you've initiated the withdrawal, TikTok will process your request and transfer the funds to your designated payment account, such as PayPal or a linked bank account. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.